How did you fly, Adarsh? Oh, flying away. Come on, leave off. Will you leave? Yes, will you leave?
Even if I leave, this will be.
Yeah. Will you leave, Adarsh?
I'll leave.
Yes, Adarsh? Will you leave your kite?
Ah!
Will you leave your kite, Shreya?
Yes.
Yes, come on, leave off.
Ah!
No?
I am fine.
Ah.
I will fly here.
You want to fly here? So they are very very happy with the kites. కొంచెం ఈ చేంజ్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఫెస్టివల్స్ లో, దట్ చేంజ్ లో వాళ్ళ హ్యాపీనెస్ ఒక లెవెల్లో ఉంటుంది కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఆంటీ
Dancing.
డాన్సింగ్